A very warm welcome to everyone one more time. In my all the previous videos which I have displayed, I have discussed about how to draw the different kinds of graph like the linear graph, the histogram, the bar graph, the pie chart. But in this today's video, I am going to discuss how we can create any type of a graph by using MS Excel within a few seconds. The MS Excel is found in our computer or a laptop in our Microsoft software. So here I have already opened my MS Excel. Now let us move towards my Excel spreadsheet. Here is a one Excel spreadsheet I am opening in front of you. Here it is. In this I have also entered a one question in which the following table is showing the favorite sports of around 300 students in a school. Like the sports are the cricket, football, hockey, badminton, swimming and tennis. Now how we can create or draw any kind of a graph by using the MS Excel. For that what you have to do is that first of all you have to just select the full table. Like see I have selected it from the sports till the 75 as in tennis. Now it is selected. Now afterwards you have to go to the column that is insert near to the home. If you will click this insert, you will find out lots of options here. Here in the charts column, if you will see, there are the different kinds of a graph you can see. So let me first of all insert in the column. Let me click in the column. As you click in the column, you will find out the different kinds of a graph like the two-dimensional column or three-dimensional column, a cylindrical or a conical or a pyramid. Only you have to do is that you have to just click it in a proper way. I am going to have a graph, a bar graph. In the column way, I am using the cylindrical. As you click it, after clicking within a second of a time, you can see we can have a graph on the screen which is now displayed in a proper sequential way. The number of students and the sports who is liking that. See, it's so easy. Now in the other column, the designing column, you can change it and then create the different kinds of a graph. Now suppose if you want to change the type of a chart, what you have to do is that the corner you have to just click this thing and then you can change it. Let me change it to the cylindrical form. See, as I click on the cylindrical form and click the OK, now it is being changed to the cylindrical form. This is the way how you can make the graph like a bar graph. Now let me erase it, let me delete it. Now again selecting the same methodology, go to the insert, and if I have to create a pie chart, so you have to go to the column in the charts as in pie, and now you can see the 2D pie chart is there and the 3D pie chart is here. So I am going to prefer the 3-dimensional pie chart. So here I am clicking that, and within a second of a time you can find out the graph on the screen. Here is the graph now. I'm sorry for that. It is a little bit of a problematic issue. Let me cancel it. Here is the pie chart. I'm sorry. Here is the pie chart. You can see the cricket, football, hockey, badminton, swimming. They are having tennis with the different section. Now if you want to insert here its percentage, so you can click here in the chart layout. As I click, you can find out its percentages also will come. And if you want to change it, I am again clicking, the colors will get changed. If you will scroll down this one, you can have the different kinds like this. If I am clicking it, even I am getting the tennis, cricket, football written on that. And even you can change the color as per your wish. This is the way how you can create a graph as you like. You can create it by your own. Okay, so now let me make a different, let me just erase it, and again let me select it and then try to create a different kind of a graph. So here I am just making the bar graph that is in a different way. So here if I click it, see, I found the graph in this way also. This is the way, my dear students, how you can make a graph within a single click. As I love to have the pie chart, so here I am deleting it, again selected corner, I will go to the pie column and then create a graph like this, a simplest pie chart, clicking it, finding out its percentage also. This is the way how you can create the graph with the help of MS Excel. So if I have done any mistake, I feel a little bit sorry in that. Few uncomfortable things happened today in my video, but I hope so you have understood that how we can make any kind of a graph by just a one click in the Microsoft Excel. So this is the way how you can create the graph. Hope you have liked it. If you're having any doubt, you can comment me in the comment box, and keep subscribing my channel and share it and comment it also. Hope you all have understood it. Keep on asking me the problems in the comment box and enjoy the mathematics. Thank you and have a wonderful time ahead.